Hey, I'm Zach. I'm a project manager here at Louis Allis. Just going to take you through the shop today and show you a couple jobs that we've got moving through. This here is a frame that goes to a 3,000 horsepower condensate pump motor out of a power facility in West Virginia. It's an old Allis-Chalmers design, which we specialize in any of the large OEMs, legacy designs, repairing and refurbishing those units. This was brought in for a general recondition and evaluation. They were having some temperature issues on the lower guide bearing. We were able to go in, remachine some of the flanges and remachine those bearings, get those temperatures running much closer together. So the brackets are in prep now, and then this motor will be assembled this week and shipped back to the customer. So this is a 2-speed, 2-winding motor that we're building for a fan company customer. This motor is the prototype of this model. We've done some pretty extensive testing here at the test stand on this motor. Today specifically, Heath is testing the lock rotor on this motor. And after we confirm that data, send it to the customer and get approval that it's going to be good for their application, that's the last piece we need to confirm this prototype and go into production for 8 more units. So this motor here is actually a 5811 brick, which is a quick ship program motor that we stock here at the facility. Generally, these come in weather protected enclosures. The customer here wanted this modified for forced draft, so we were able to take the motor, remove that WP hood, and turn this into the forced draft application that they wanted for their facility. So just another example of how we can take even our stock motors that we have for our quick ship program and modify them for whatever the customer needs in their application. So this here is the rotor assembly for that 6750 that we talked about earlier. This here is the hub that has been re-insulated and is about to go into machining so we can install those slip rings that I mentioned earlier. And all that process is going to happen right here in our Pariba lathe in the machine shop. So these 2 machines behind me are the latest additions to our machine shop here. They're ST30LY Haas CNC lathe. And then we also have the 2YT Haas CNC mill. They've been huge additions to the machine shop, and they've really helped us become more efficient in our shaft machining processes and our in-bracket machining processes. We can turn roughly 60 inches between centers, and it also has live tooling capability. So when we are machining our motor shafts, it's a one-stop shop. We put the shaft in, we machine it, cut the keys, grooves, everything in one setup, take it out, and it saves us a lot of time in the machine shop not having to do things manually.